because my doctor told me I really need vitamin B. So I got here already. And it's raining here. Kira, you're gonna get wet there. Come over here. Kira, come over here. So, that's my car over here. It's parking. Okay. Okay. Open the trunk. Okay, get in the car, Kira. Let's open the trunk, quick. It's raining. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go get my coat. Okay, I'm gonna get in. Thank you for loading up. Randy, can you? I can't get in. Here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, Kira, put your coke here. Okay, give this. Kurt, you have your coke. Which one is Kurt?
That's the one, yes.
This one? Okay, here.
Mine's on the corner surrounded by...
Yeah, I see that already. Okay, this is for Dad. Okay. Oh, it's so hard working. Oh my goodness, my baby is coughing. Okay. Oh my goodness, tell Daddy he can't drive if the coke is right there. Okay, I'm gonna get in now. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh. Did I am recorded? Okay. Yeah. Okay, just a moment. Here. Okay, here's your coke, Dad.
Where's mine? Oh.
Over there. Be careful.
Oh.
Okay, here's another one.
It's there. Is she dead?
Okay, let's go.
Is she dead?
Okay, buckle up, guys.
Who's wearing a seatbelt?